Hello everyone. Hope everyone is good and doing a best time of his life. So let's see. Today we will see a ice project, a little overview of this project. So you can see here this is the home page of ice project, and you can see they have been mentions here for speeds and your mining base rates, each and everything. And this is others they have been mentioned. I don't know for really this project because this is very different from others networks and pi network and b network and many others, so they have very different idea. So we will just try it. You can see they have 5 to 6 step to complete that one. After you are submitted your KYC, so more chance to complete your KYC will be successful. So you can see here they have social medias also channel. So we will check just Twitter, how many they have fan following. So yes, they have very good fan following. Yes, it's look good. So also I check his Play Store, the application, and I cannot believe that they have 1 million plus users. Compared to other, they have 100 like this. So, but they have very good fan following, and you can see here this is our balance. So this is counts tiger 1 tiger 2. I don't know what's they have given a position for that one because I am also this application new using. So you can see here this is mining click and it's very different from other application, and this is contents they have been mentions here, and this is a little profile. So you can see here is place you can check your mining speeds with your teams, how many teams you have. So they have many options. I don't know really what they have. If you know anything about that, this all things, just comment below. I want to know him, but I really need help from my viewers. Just download these applications and start mining because they have very good fan following, and I'm sure this will be success because at a very small time the fan following is very big. It's look the people, so many people are interested on this project. So you all knows when the community will come a one platform, it will must success. So this is our profile. You also check your updates. Thank you for watching.